Hello everybody, how to use the sidechain for your music. Um, First of all, here we have a simple drum loop, and the classic sidechain is bass line and kick drum. So here the bass line. And the thing is, you open the channel setting. So I use for that the channel compressor. And first you open them, and I have here a default setting, so I have saved me that. And here's the sidechain button. So now, first I listen the bass line. Okay, one more time. I think that's good. Also, I make this a little bit not too loud. And then I go to my kick drum. You go to your send, and then you have here a special thing. This is side chains. So bass line, step, push them on, and here we are. With this effect, you are great. The bass line are all the time little bit quiet when the kick play. So the kick drum comes a little bit further. Both. Okay, but you can do more with sideshave. I use today a gate too. So and for this I had create me a thematic drum loop. First we listen. Okay. Now, so first I put the gate on that, and here is the button. So you activate the sidechain. I have to do that. So this one we make later, and then we go to the kick. Oh, this was not the right one. Here we are. Okay. So now we have here the gate, so we have to open that. And now you can use special filters or delays when you like. I use the tech delay. For this one I had used a preset. Also, when you like, you can use the mob filter. That's a cool function too. Okay, and then also I create me a nice reverb channel, and for this one I use the reverend. And the cool function here is you can import own sample when you like. Okay, one more time. That's the thing. Then all together. On the bass line. Okay, so now all together. Okay, I hope you become the idea. And yes, thank you for watching. This was Paul, and take care.